Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to draw a simple line in Excel. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the window. Now, look for the Shapes button. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of shapes available. Under the Lines section, select the first option, which is the straight line. To draw your line, click on the spot where you want the line to start. Hold down Shift button if you want straight line, and drag to where you want it to end. And there you go, your line is drawn! If you want to customize your line, click on it and then right-click and choose Format Shape. On the right side window pops up and you can choose color, width, or line type.